Okay, here's a little song by Britney Spears. Get back on stage, Britney. That's not your song. Hang on. That belongs to a little boy. We'll have to wait on that. Oops. I did it again.
Okay, here we go.
Slugger.
Oh yeah! I love them.
Who's the homeroom singer? She hits all the home runs?
Yeah!
Okay, we got some little guy here. I couldn't